This video is promoted and sponsored by Keys.
Hi all, welcome to Alison Kitchen. Today's recipe is black chickpeas curry. Let us see how to make it. For that, I have taken about 200 grams of black chickpeas. I have soaked them overnight. If you're doing it for the lunch time, you can soak it before 5 hours. Now let us see the procedure. I have placed a kadai with 1 spoon of oil. Now let us add the spices to it. Taking 1 cinnamon, 1 elaichi, and I'm adding 3 to 4 peppercorns and quarter spoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf and quarter spoon of fennel seed. Let us roast them with 1 spoon of oil. Now let me add few garlic cloves and a bit of ginger. Let us fry. I'm adding 1 small sized onion. Let us fry the onion well. And now I've taken a little bit of coconut, medium sized, half a coconut. Let us roast even this. Till it turns aromatic. Make sure the flame is in medium, else the coconut will over fry. At this stage, I am adding 1 large sized tomato. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Till the tomato becomes a bit soft. Now you can see the tomatoes become little soft. Let us off the flame and transfer this to the grinder and let us grind it into a smooth paste. Now I have placed cooker with 2 spoons of oil in it. Let us proceed further. I have taken half a spoon of mustard seed. Now I am adding few curry leaves and onion, half chopped onion. Let us fry for a while till the onion softens. Now let us add the grinded paste. Mix well. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this stage, I'm adding chili powder, about 1 spoon and a half, and then turmeric powder, about half a spoon, and then coriander powder, about 1 spoon, then garam masala, a full spoon. Now I am adding rock salt to it. Let us stir this well. And allow it to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes till the masala turns aromatic. Now you can see the oil is separating from the masala. It is fried well and now it is very aromatic. At this stage, I am adding the soaked chickpeas to it and mix well. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes along with these masalas. Just fried well, and I've taken a lemon sized tamarind and I've extracted about half a glass of juice. So I'm adding the tamarind juice to it. Mix well. Now let us add little more water. You can adjust the water as per your need. I have taken it into this consistency. If you want it to be even more thicker, you can reduce the amount of water. Now I have mixed it well. Let us cover the lid and allow it to boil for about 7 to 8 whistles. Now it is done for about 7 to 8 minutes. The cooker is cooled completely. Let us open the lid. You can see it is cooked very well. Mix from bottom. Now the chickpea curry is ready to serve. Let us transfer it to the serving bowl. Now the chickpea curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.